Are you seeing the need and importance to pay more attention to your self-care lately? Both for your physical health and for your mental well-being? I've been there, and I'm still on this amazing journey. Self-care, self-love is a continual process, a lifelong journey, but it's wonderful to have some tools in hand to best get through it. My name is Agnes de Bezenac, and I'm an artist and author from France. I have found so many benefits through combining my love for art with this self-care journey. Not only does it create an outlet to express feelings and emotions, but it also has a way with making me feel more whole and alive. Also brings a sense of peace and calm, plus loads more clarity and understanding of myself. And not to forget a big extra dose of joy. In this course, we will delve more specifically into 3 aspects of self-care, covering some of the more intangible topics, which are emotional self-care, mental self-care, and spiritual self-care. I will share a few tips and techniques for the artsy side of creating these craft pages, one for each of these topics, as well as some examples of how I practice and grow in my emotional self-care, maybe through certain habits or rituals. But most of all, I encourage you to check in with yourself, to personalize it just for you as you incorporate your preferences and what you feel would bring you the most joy and meaning. These pages will be something you'll be able to refer back to whenever you need a little booster or emotional pick-me-up, as a gentle reminder of how you can take care of and pay attention to your self-care. At the same time, you'll have a toolkit in hand to use for handling many different emotional ups and downs that life throws your way. I have enjoyed creating some of these with my teen daughter as a way to connect and bond together with something we both enjoy, art. And we have loads of fun together. Plus, we grow in our communications. I'm looking forward to exploring this journey of artistic well-being together.